Okay, so now you have your snowman, and it should be all dry because we did it yesterday. So we're gonna cut it out. And I'm just gonna cut the bottom part where I went over a little bit. That's fine. So there's my circle. This is my like snow globe part. And then I'm gonna cut out my red half circle. And this is like the base for it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put my snow globe on my base, but I want to leave room for my name. I'm going to write my name. So I'm going to write my name at the bottom, and I'm going to put the year. So I'm going to put Mrs. Ayers, and I'm going to put 2020. And this will help your family remember when you made this, so that every year at winter time you can get it out and then maybe show your decorations. My mom saved mine from when I was little, and every Christmas time she gets them out and we put them in our house. Okay, so I'm just gonna glue my snowman right there on the base. And then with my other papers, I need to make a little scarf and maybe some mittens. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to make a green scarf. So I'm just going to cut a little strip of this. But I need kind of a smaller strip. So maybe like a curved strip. Nope, still too long. Make it a little bit shorter. Okay, so that's gonna be this part of his scarf, the part that goes around his neck. And then I'm gonna make a little part that goes down. And at the end, I'm gonna make little cuts. You don't have to, but I think it's kind of cute to make the fringe. So I'm going to put that right there. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my marker, if I can find it. And I'm going to make his arms go out. And I'm going to make him 2 little mittens. So you can use whatever. I'm probably going to use the same green. And I'm going to fold it in half so that they're the same size. But you have 2 different colors in your packet. So if you want to make it the same color, you can. If you want to make it a different color, you can. That is up to you. So here's my little mittens. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue on each of those. I made my snowman a little bit too close to the top. But if you want to cut out a hat for him, you can. I'm going to use my orange, and I'm going to make a little triangle shaped carrot nose. And I'm going to put some little carrot lines on there. Just need a little bit of glue. And you can kind of change his personality. Mine is going to be like a happy snowman. Okay. So then with a marker, I'm going to make his eyes. And I can make his mouth. And then if you want to, you can make little buttons for him, for his tummy. Some people like to, you could draw them in. I'm just gonna kind of cut like a funny little circle and put him right there. So you can either draw it or you can cut it out of your paper, your choice. And then if you wanted to, maybe you could make a little hat. Mine doesn't have room for a hat, but you can make a hat if you want. I'll just show you what this would look like. Maybe like this, I don't know. Oop, that hat's a little bit too small. That hat's too small. Maybe I'll make a bigger hat. That hat looked kind of silly, didn't it? Let's see if this hat is big enough. That's funny hat. If you want to, you don't have to. And there's my snowman. I can't wait to see your snowman.